Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Wednesday, March 14, 2012. The S&P 500 futures saw a high of the day of 1394.25 and a low of the day of 1384.25. We closed at 1388.75. Today's volume was 2.1 million contracts above the 20-day moving average. For the Nasdaq futures, we saw a high of the day of 2713.75 and a low of the day of 2686. We closed at 2703.25 and today's volume was 340,000 contracts, a lot higher than the 20-day moving average. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 1,428. The Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at negative 932. There were 70 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and none new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. Okay, as you can see here, we have the daily chart for the ES. We're now on the positive 2, positive 3 sigma channel. Today we had a 2 handle down day, nothing big. Here on the CI and the CI diff, we still continue to be green and going up, which is good. Momentum keeps on building. On the Sigma channel width, it's expanding again, which is good. It means a bigger range on the Sigma channels. That's for the daily chart. For the intraday chart, let's look at a 5-minute chart. As you can see, we opened around here, started going higher, not much of a move today. Then we sold off a little, kept on doing the day, not much, not moving. Went up again to the highs of the day, almost made new highs, was not possible, and then we sold off pretty fast to make new highs, and then again making new highs almost to a close, but then it just rebounded and went up higher to finish up like 2.5 handles of the starting point. Okay, here we have the daily chart for gold futures. So you can see here a very bad day today again. We dropped around 3% for gold. We're now sitting at 1642. It's not good. Still looking at those levels that we mentioned last week on the daily chart, the 600 level, the trend line that we drew. So we need to look what happens there. We also broke on the weekly chart, the 50-week moving average. You can see here the blue line. Here we have the weekly chart for the VIX. You can see we had an update today, 3.5% higher for the day, but we still have a negative week, quite a big one, as you can see here. So we need to continue to look what happens to the volatility from now on. Maybe it's gonna rebound, but we don't know yet anything. Another down week would be the 5th week in a row that we've been going down for the VIX, as I mentioned yesterday.